Simplilearn Skill Certification Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to the products mentioned in this video are provided in the description below. Simplilearn is a comprehensive skill certification platform designed for professionals and students looking to enhance their career prospects through industry-relevant training. Offering over 400 courses across domains like IT, data science, digital marketing, project management, and more, Simplilearn caters to a wide range of learners. Key features include flexible online learning with live classes led by industry experts, self-paced modules, and hands-on projects to apply concepts in real-world scenarios. Simplilearn collaborates with renowned institutions like Purdue University, IBM, and Microsoft to deliver high-quality content. Many courses also prepare you for globally recognized certifications like PMP, AWS, or Google Analytics, adding significant value to your resume. The platform is particularly suitable for working professionals aiming to upskill or transition careers and students wanting to build a competitive edge. Simplilearn's curriculum is up to date with industry trends, ensuring relevance in today's job market. The Integrated Learning Management System, LMS, is user-friendly, allowing learners to track progress and access resources seamlessly. Customer support is responsive, and the platform's focus on practical learning sets it apart from competitors. The inclusion of career assistance, such as mock interviews and resume-building tips, further enhances its appeal for job seekers. However, some users may find the cost higher compared to similar platforms, though many feel the value delivered justifies the price. Overall, Simplilearn provides a robust and engaging experience for individuals serious about advancing their skills and careers. If you've used Simplilearn or are considering it, share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and potential discounts.